Respected sir, Motherland Sindh was an independent state and had such status till it was occupied by British and forcefully merged into British India in 1843. Sindh is the land of an ancient civilization, the land of great Sufi poets Shah Abdul Latif Bhittai and Sachal Sarmast. Spirits of the Sindh culture had always concentrated in love of humanity, peace and harmony. Respected sir, these values are become under threat from different directions when the leadership of Sindh decided to join the newly created state of Pakistan. The heinous conspiracy of occupied British, the leadership of Sindh voluntarily joined Pakistan under 1940 resolution with the promise that the states or units will be sovereign and autonomous. But 1940 resolution began to be violated by covert and overt actions since the very first day. Respected sir, systematic and continuous and systematic influx of migration from other countries and provinces to change the demography of Sindh, formation of one unit, abolishing historical identity of Sindh, refused to make Sindhi language as one of the national language, sailing of rivers. Thank you, sir. Selling of rivers to India and construction of dams and canals from Sindhu, the Indus River, illegal and unfair distribution of water, snatching lands of Sindhi by making Bahratown and other projects, systematic policy exploitation of resources of Sindh. Respected sir, in terms of natural and economic resources, Sindh is richest, but Sindhis remain the poorest. Respected sir, two major seaports are in Sindh. Majority head offices of banks and multinational companies are Sindh. Sindh is the largest producer of oil and natural gas. 99% coal reserves here. That means the process of injustice, exploitation and misappropriation have been continued here. Then we, the people of Sindh, should demand new social contract on the basis of 1940 resolution where only defense, foreign affairs and currency should be federating subjects. Inalienable rights of Sindh over all the explored and the unexplored resources including oil, gas, minerals and marine resources should be accepted constitutionally. NFC award should be abolished. All those who took up residence in Sindh after the year 1954 to 1954 should be regarded as temporary and time-bound work permit should be issued. Respected sir, distribution of water should be made under the